Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in New Perspectives Excel 2019 Modules 1-2 for SAM Capstone Project 1A. Our client provide us some file attachments you can see on your screen with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. Workbook setup. Change the theme to Office, adjust column widths and row heights, and merge and format the title row. Step 2. Data and formatting. Enter data into A5, apply cell formatting center, font size, color, and add borders to the table. Step 3. Conditional formatting. Add percentage formatting, data bars, and highlight top, bottom values. Step 4. Formulas. Use VLOOKUP to match department info and today to display the current date. Step 5. Charts. Create and format pie and combo charts as instructed, adjusting titles, axes, and styles. Step 6. Final steps. Delete a worksheet, save, and submit the project.
If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 7309655268 or log into our website helpandhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.